Cody, the day has finally come that we have been dreaming of for many years. 7 years ago yesterday when we started dating, I knew you were the one for me. We beat long distance and now get to spend forever together. I couldn't have picked a better partner for life than you, Cody. I vow to always love and support you, whether it be major life decisions or even your hunting and golf session. I vow to always be faithful and be your best friend no matter what life brings. I promise to always cheer you on and be your biggest fan. I know you always say we are basically already married, but let's make it official. I love you, Cody Coggins, and I can't wait to be your wife.
You'll be a beautiful bride. But you remember I loved you first, so I trust him. Let's go.
Okay. I don't want to
There's far. Let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
We guessed right.
Y'all did. Lexi, you notice anything?
Yeah.
Me and Lacey have like the same exact dress.
It's a great dress.
It is.
It's gonna be short and sweet.
It's okay.
But, dear Dallas, I promise to love you forever. I promise to stand by your side through the ups and downs, the good times and bad. I promise to provide, to protect for you and our family. I promise to support you in everything you do, whatever is shopping, whatever you do. I promise to lead us in faith and lead our family in faith. I love you and can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. Love, Cody. I love you.
Try not to get makeup on her.
Yeah. You're beautiful.
You were right. You were guessing right.
I knew it. I knew it. Did you already watch it?
Yes.
It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
You look great.
It's hot.
Oh, it's warm. It's very warm. You look stunning.
Thank you.
You ready to get this thing done?
Yep.
Bring an air conditioner?
Yes.
You look great.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you.
Don't I look sharp though?
You do. You look good.
I mean, it's
I
my
like
your
these
first
little-
look too now.
You did good at picking it out. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, thank you. I love it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And then clasp that. Maybe under it. Accessories. Oh, it's a lot for it. You like that color?
Beautiful. I love it. It's beautiful.
Couple and their desire and obedience to join one another in marriage. It's also a day of joy because it's been a day that many of us have looked forward to for a long time. For some, a really, really long time. Over the years, I think it's been asked at least once or twice, what is Cody waiting on? Cody, just between me and you, I think it was asked more than twice. One of the things that I believe makes weddings so special is all the people who come to celebrate with you. And so Cody and Dallas, I would encourage you to look around right now to see all the faces of those who have come to celebrate you today. This truly is a blessing, and I encourage you to always remember the community that you have. I, Cody, take you, Dallas,
I, Cody, take you, Dallas,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
and for sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part,
to death do us part,
according to God's holy ordinance.
according to God's holy ordinance.
I pledge myself to you.
I pledge myself to you.
And Dallas, if you will, repeat after me. I, Dallas, take you, Cody,
I, Dallas, take you, Cody,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part,
till death do us part.
according to God's holy ordinance.
According to God's holy ordinance,
I pledge myself to you.
I pledge myself to you.
Heavenly Father, I thank you for this day that we've been given. I thank you for bringing Cody into Dallas's life because it brought Cody into our lives. I thank you for the way he was brought up, the way he was taught by his family, because I think it matches Dallas. I thank you for giving me comfort in that it's okay for me to turn my daughter over to another man, but I believe it's a great choice. I trust Cody. I love Cody. God, I ask that you bless this marriage. Keep them mindful of the vows that they spoke here today, to give them strength to follow those and the wisdom to lean upon those around them right now for anything that they may need.
Cody, you may kiss your bride.
Mr. and Mrs. Cody Coggins.
Okay, look at there you go.
I am just a trace. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says.